Hi, I'm Christy, a mother of 4. Before I joined Thermomix, I'm a full-time stay-home mom more than 10 years. My daughter is a special need. Actually, I have a big challenge to accept the real fact. Ever since I joined, Thermomix has truly empowered and changed my life in so many positive ways. As I now have my career, being a team manager, leading a team of moms, a team of women with different background and family. I feel more useful and I'm supporting my family too.
Hi, I'm Yen. I've been a housewife for the past 20 years until I joined as a sales advisor 3 years ago. I like how I can make a career out of my passion for cooking, meeting new people and choosing my own working hours. I remember selling 2 units on my very first sale. Wow! And I knew that was the first start of my journey with Thermomix.
Hi, my name is Amy. I am a small business owner before I joined Thermomix in the fashion industry. I wasn't a mother that can cook, so Thermomix has helped me greatly to become a very reasonable, good cook in my family. Yeah, and also an opportunity for me to impact and empower other ladies as well. Thermomix is where I can find fun, freedom, fulfillment, friends that feels like part of my family.
Hi, I'm Mandy. I have many roles. I'm a mother of 3. I'm also a beauty salon owner and a team manager at Thermomix. I was a walk-in customer who bought a Thermomix without seeing a cooking show 2 years ago. Thermomix have enabled me to juggle my work life as well as cook healthy, nutritious meals for my family. I'm very happy that my role as an advisor has helped many families achieve the same results and improve their quality of life. And now as a team manager, I felt empowered that I now have the impact on others outside my window.